The lady from Uncle. The lady.
Hi, today I want to take a look at what happens when you as a YouTuber end up having an issue and you do some research and you end up at the YouTube Help Center at the Google website and you scroll down to the bottom, perhaps not having found the exact answer that you're looking for, and you think to ask the YouTube Help community. Well, you arrive at the Help community and the first thing that you notice is posting in this forum has been disabled. So if we have a look at that thread, and basically it announces that the English YouTube community is read only. So that means that if you haven't gotten your answer from the Help Center, you can still read the YouTube Help community, but you can't post to it. So you can't pose your questions. Now, you might think that's a terrible thing, but I can tell you now that in over 12 years of doing this, there are very few surprises nowadays, and everybody's issue may seem completely and utterly unique, but it isn't. So do the research, and if you absolutely struggle and there are some issues that are not unique, but they certainly would require individual support, and in a timely fashion as well. And one of these is what is mentioned down below: when your YouTube channel has been hijacked. Natasha asks you to fill in this form and it gives you a hyperlink to click. But the problem is that unless you have access to creator support, and for that you would have to have a certain standing within the YouTube community, you won't be able to access the form. And it tells you, if you can't access the form, check out these help resources. Now, I suggest that you do that. And if you still can't get anywhere with this, and you still can't get in touch with YouTube through creator support using this link here, then there is one other thing that you can do. And that is to tweet, yes, to tweet Team YouTube over at Twitter. And here you are. I'll give you the link to their official page in the video description. Now, what happens if you end up in a different Google product forum, such as, for example, this Google account one? Now, I am also a product expert for Google accounts. And here is our community manager basically reminding people that issues with YouTube cannot be dealt with by other product forums. And the reason for that is that not everybody who is an expert in Google accounts is also an expert in YouTube. So it's horses for courses. You've got to go to the correct forum for the support that you need. So because our YouTube help forum is currently on read only, the best thing you can do is continue with looking into the Help Center, read through the threads that exist on the YouTube Help Forum, and there are thousands of them. And if push comes to shove and you absolutely need Team YouTube at Twitter to give you access to the hijacking form, and there are very few things that they will actually address with you personally, then that's the best place to go. Thank you for listening, and goodbye.